Let's build a 3D browser game with Workic AI. We start by jumping into the Workic dashboard and hitting Create New Project. I'll name this one Browser_Game to keep things organized. Once the project is ready, we head straight to the local code agent. This is where the magic happens. I'm importing my local folder so the AI can see exactly what we're working with. I've already created some relevant files here, but they all are empty because heavy lifting work will be done by our code agent. Now I have given a very precise prompt with detailed instructions so that our AI agent knows what to do properly without any repetitions. After pressing send, it starts working, and as you can see, it's following my strict minimalist requirements perfectly. Using Three.js via CDN and only basic geometries, ensuring the game stays lightweight and fast. No messy external assets, just clean modular code. In the browser, we have a sleek 3D plane navigating through obstacles with a real-time score tracker and a game over screen that triggers instantly on impact. It's a complete loop from blank canvas to a playable prototype, all powered by the Workic AI assistant. If you're ready to stop coding from scratch and start building at the speed of thought, this is your toolkit. Try Workic AI for free. Start your next project today.